Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Now Conceição Hellerin D'Souza.
ओके अरेंजमेंट कशें आशिल्लें
बेस्ट एकदम बेस्ट बरं असलेलें कांय त्रास ना काय ना बरें असलेलें
ओके कशी
First
कितें
time.
व्हेली तुमकां इलेक्ट्रीक येते गाडयो आसा तितून
वय पयलें इलेक्ट्रीक गाडी हाडली आनी तेणी हांगा पासून सोडलें
व्हीलचेअर घेतले आमी गेटीशी
हां हां
कारांतले देवन तुका व्हीलचेअर घेतले व्हीलचेअरान आमी भितर गेलीं मागीर आमकां सामकें गायड केलें भितर व्हीलचेअरान ते एका कुशीन आनी लेडीज लोकांक कुशीन भितर गेली सामकें रॅम बेम सगळें फर्स्ट क्लास भितर गेली उमा घेतलो 10-15 मिनटांनी भायर सोडली
तातूनच व्हील चॅर तातूनच भितर घातली घालून वय
रिक्षा असते
बग्गी
बघी
बाकी वय ते व्हील चॅर त्याच्या बरोबरच गेले
तुमचें नांव
My Bento Lis D'Souza.
खंयचें
I'm from Kalangut, Kobrawada Kalangut, yeah.
तुमी पयलीं येयल्या एक्सपोजिशनाक
पयले म्हणजे
पयलीं ह्यान पयलें सगळें
all since I'm born,
ओके
I'm very
सो ह्या वर्साचो एक्सपिरियन्स कसो आसलो
it is fantastic. Well arranged. I think this is something that improved that, no? So everything has been improved. Okay, yeah.
कितल्या मिनटां लागली तुमकां भितर वचून
No, they had senior students, they had passed immediately. So about within 10 minutes.
and so your name
My name is Silvano Frank,
okay
and I'm from Kobrawada from Kalangut,
uh-huh.
and I reside in the UK at the moment.
Okay, so how was the experience visiting exposition
Oh, it was really moving for me because we've been here when we were children. We used to come up here. My dad and my mother used to bring us up. It's very touching. It's very emotional. The facilities so far, the wheelchair facilities were very, very good.